Okay, so this is called pronominal adverb. क्या बोलते हैं? Pro, you can note down, pronominal adverbian. Pronominal adverbian. This topic. The pronominal adverb means this the Rauf, the Uber, the phone. So कैसे यूज करना है और when do we use and how do we use? So question is warten Sie auf den Bus? This is my question. Warten Sie auf den Bus? Ja nein Frage. Huh? It is used with ja nein Frage. First thing. ठीक है? So warten Sie auf den Bus? Answer is yes. I am waiting for that. For that. So ja ich warte darauf. So here darauf means for that. Sometimes if somebody asks, okay, do you speak German, you can say simply yes, I speak German. But if I say, are you talking about German language, so you say yes.
Ja, ich spreche darauf.
Darüber. This is expression.
Darüber.
So expression takes über. So preposition is important. Expression, like expression über Musik means, are you talking about music? Suppose there are 4 people and you come and ask, are you talking about music? They say yes, we are, or I am talking about that. Huh? So darüber. Meaning is same for that, about that, for that or about that.
तो सर जैसे इसमें या ich spreche darüber लिख
Yes,
सकते हैं या ये भी लिख सकते हैं या ich spreche die Musik.
not required.
music.
Music is not required. उसी को replace करना है. Music replace करना.
ठीक.
Not
ठीक है
required. This is the important thing. We replace the noun. What do we say? We replace the noun. We replace the noun. Noun is not required. Like in English we say na, okay, are you waiting for the bus? Yes, I am waiting for that. Huh? Yes, I am waiting for that. Oh, yes, I am waiting for the bus. This is also correct, but better, yes, I am waiting for that. Huh? Are you happy about your holidays? Yes, I am very happy about that. Huh? About that. Huh? So this is all with da. कैसे बनेगा सब? दा से स्टार्ट होगा. नोट करो, दिस इज ऑल स्टार्ट विद दा. Means ja nein Frage. Ja nein Frage. We use it with ja nein Frage. Replace the noun. We replace the noun. Similarly, some more examples.
Interessen du für Musik ja interessen mich darauf.
Yeah, ish is missing. Yeah. Interessierst du dich reflexive verb. Interessierst du dich für Musik means, are you interested for music? Yes, I am interested for that. So ich interessiere mich dafür. Mich is reflexive. This verb is reflexive. So dich and here mich. This is reflexive. But da is again. I am interested for that. I am interested in that. In English, in that. But in German, for that. In German, we use für. So again, fixed preposition, interessieren plus für. Don't use any other preposition. It is wrong. Use the fixed preposition, because we are doing the topic fixed preposition. You cannot use any other preposition on your own. That is wrong. Use the fixed preposition. Next, wartest du auf den Bus? Meaning,
Are you waiting for the bus?
Are you waiting for the bus? This is the question. Ja nein question hai. Okay.
Nein, ich warte.
So 9 ich warte nicht darauf. No, I am not waiting for that. Okay. Darauf, again focus on darauf. Darauf, because it refers to the bus. No, I am not waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the I am waiting for my friend maybe, or I am waiting for someone, or maybe I am waiting for the train or the taxi. Next, denkst du an die Eltern? denkst du an die Eltern means
Are you thinking about your parents? Ja, ich denke daran.
ja, ich denke. Now here is the problem, little mistake. So parent is not an object. Parent is not object, but here bus is object. So what we say? Ja, ich denke an sie. Yes, I am thinking about them. So about them. This is a twist here, because Elton is person. Elton parents, human being. So don't use the. The is for only object, non-living. Ja, ich denke an sie. An sie means parents. Refer to. Got it? Thinking. Are you thinking about the parents or your parents? Yes, I am thinking about them. We don't say na. Yes, I am thinking about that. That is means object, but parents are human being. So ja, ich denke an sie. Sie means them. About them. Small z na them. Okay. Sprichst du über die Politik? Are you talking about politics?
Ja, ich spreche darüber.
Yeah, spreche darüber. So politics is not a person. So da is okay, suitable. Understood? Or any doubt? Just look at your notes and then tell me.
So can I make one like a question मैं
Yes.
बनाती and then I'll ask?
Yes, sure.
For example, can we make like schreiben Sie an Story? So we can answer ja.
Schreiben Sie
An
no,
story.
an is for a person. Like, are you writing to a story? No. Are you writing to your mother? Are you writing to your father? An is for a person. Schreiben Sie eine Geschichte. This is a sentence without preposition. So this concept is not applied. Are you writing a poem? Are you writing a story? So it is a normal sentence, which is different from this topic. Normal sentence, ना?
सर इसमें जैसे स्टोरी या कोई पोएम ये नहीं लिख सकते?
No, because preposition तो आया ही नहीं. Are you writing a poem? Are you writing to your mother? Are you writing to your teacher? To. Like schreiben Sie an Ihre Mutter. This is okay. So how do you say?
So we can say like ja ich schreibe an sie.
Very good. Ja, ich schreibe an sie. Yes, I am writing to her. So here sie means to her. Okay. Mother. Correct. Yes. Try some more. Make some more. बनाओगे तो अपने आप जल्दी आएगा. Yes, practice.
Okay. Warten Sie auf den Taxi. So we can make like ja, ich warte darauf.
Warten Sie auf das Taxi. Ja, ich warte darauf. Correct.
Okay, sir.
I have written one more. Kümmers du dich. Kümmer means to take care. Kümmern plus
Kümmerst
means to take care. Kümmers du dich die Oma. Kümmern.
तो सर वो जो टेबल थी expression plus mit schreiben plus an उसमें humorist add कर लूँ?
It is given already there. Check. It is given. Check the table.
नहीं, तो humorist नहीं है. Expression schreiben warten diskutieren sich freuen sich interessani लिखा है बस.
Wait. Kümmern. Sich kümmern. If not, so you can add. Yes, you can add. Okay. Please add. It is missing.
Humorist के साथ add plus add क्या करना है?
Cumin is given. See 21, number 21 in the list. 21. Got it? In the list, 21 number is cumin.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
So cumin means to take care. So question is, kümmers du dich die Oma?
Ja, ich kümmerst.
Ja, ich kümmere.
Ja, ich kümmere an sie.
Very good. Ja, ich kümmere मिश रिफ्लेक्सिव ना, तो इस क्यूमरे मिश ऑन जी, इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्सिव. डिश, सो मिश, दिस इज a reflexive verb. Okay, ja, ich kümmere mich an sie. So I hope now you understand the concept, huh?
जी सर.
And so this is called pronominal adverb, huh? This topic is called pronominal adverb, huh? Because this darauf, darüber, dafür, this is pronominal adverb, means pronoun. Music के जगह we are using darüber, bus के जगह darauf. So pronominal adverb here, huh? And it is again based on the fixed preposition.